In front of me is REALME C71 and today I would like to show you how you can check a password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down. Then click on Users and Accounts. Now select Google. Click on Google Password Manager and select any password you wish to check. Enter your screen lock. Tap on this eye icon next to your password and this way make it visible. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!